Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to add pictures into the bar charts bars. Okay, this is usually we want to do it in the presentations. We want to show the bars instead of plain colors. We want to give relative pictures on the bars. Okay, now I show you what is I have here. I have here is the country and the sales in thousands. Okay, so the country names and the uh, sales, okay, for a particular company. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a simple bar chart. Then for the bars I change it to each country's flag. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, let's go to I just select the data here. For this data I'm going to draw a bar chart. Okay, go to the bar chart. Okay, I go to this simple bar chart. Okay, so in this bar chart what I'm going to do is I just you see the okay, my bars are here: USA, UK, India and Germany. My objective is to add flag flag pictures on each bar. Okay, for that I already having the flag pictures in my folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the flag here. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, what I'm going to do is I just if you just click, all the bars will be clicked. Okay, we are going to add it for one by one. For that, after clicking all the bars, if you click one of the bar, okay, if you click one of the bar, all the bars are selected. You can see this selection. Okay, what you can do is again you click on a single bar, then it will select only that bar. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Click, all the bars selected. If you want to insert for the same picture for all the bars, that's fine. Okay, you can insert here. Okay, but for a single bar you can insert it for a single bar. Okay, what I'll do is I just uh, click on single bar and go to the okay, I just do it this way. Click on a single bar and go for a format. Okay, once you click on the format, what happens here is it shows some options, a fill and line effects and the series options. What I'm going to do is I go for fill and line. Okay, fill. In the fill you have a lot of fills: no fill, solid fill, gradient, picture and texture fill. This is the one we are going to use it: solid fill, gradient, picture and texture fill. In the texture fill, what I'm going to, I already done some samples, so it is coming, but I'll show you step by step. Okay, in the picture fill, after that you go to the insert picture from. Okay, here you can see it's USA. Go to USA flag and insert. Okay, it has done the USA flag insertion, but in this insertion you can see the flag is stretched out. Okay, so you can make the bar bigger, or you can also have you see here stretch, stack and scale width. Okay, so the you can go for this is stretch, go to the stack, then you will see the flag is stacked in the bar multiple times, so that you will know the flag properly. So this way you can include a picture into your boss. Okay, so for my case I can very well stretch out and leave it. Okay, or I will make it the bar bigger to show the flag, or stack it, or I will put a smaller picture or whatever. Okay, then again I'll go to the UK, click, it will click all the bus. If you click all the bus and you try to include, what will happen, it will include for same picture for all the bus, you see. So you go to the and this is UK, you select UK, so same picture for all the bus. What you need to do is you click on one of the bar, then again click, then it will include only for that bar. Okay, now UK is included. Again I will see whether how the stack looks like. This is stack will be like this. So you need to decide which way you want to do it. You want a stack or scale with 100, scale with 30, or the big units per. So you change your scale and see how you want to show your picture there. Okay, 500. See how many units of the picture you want to show. Okay, usually you put a stretch and make the picture properly, smaller picture or bigger picture according to the bar. Okay, now I put UK, USA, click all the bars. Again only single click will give. This is USA and this is India. Again click on the bar, India, and finally Germany. Okay, you see now the bar chart has been changed to the all the bars have been changed to the respective flags. Okay, this way you can include any graphic file into bars. Okay, it will look good, and what you can do is you can make it bigger or smaller the thing and see which is looking good for your files, or start editing your graphic file according to that, or change the size of the bars according to that to show your graphics properly, or change the bar, if it is in vertical bar change it to horizontal and see whether it is working fine for you. Okay, so this way you can include the picture file. Same time the dimensions also you must be careful for the presentation. Not only the graphics means, also the values is readable. For example, when you put your thing, it shows very nice because your picture file's proportion is nice, so it looks very nice. But this bar chart is not very readable because the scale is very less. So you must know where our objective for a particular presentation, or to analyze something. Our objective is to analyzing the things and their values and the scales. So the scales and values need to be very clear, and that is the purpose of the main purpose of chart. So the scales and the values must be very clear, and it must be differentiated in each bar. Then comes the graphics in the bar. Okay, the graphics in the bar is secondary for me. That is secondary. You cannot sacrifice the scale to show the graphics. You must be very clear on the scale and the information what the bar chart gives, then go for a better graphics. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, then you can press like and also subscribe to my channel, and just leave your comments so that I can work on your comments and suggestions to give you better videos and better explanations. And also, if you have any problems, specific problems, you just state. I'll also find whether I can find uh, any solution for your problem. Okay, nice, and have a good day. Bye.